I got a pretty good reach. It'll be all right.
I measured up. I need like 1.5 yards. But we can eyeball it together too.
So this is probably like, it's probably equivalent to like a wheelbarrow per bucket, 2 wheelbarrows.
9 wheelbarrows is a yard or something?
Yeah, I couldn't tell you for.
All right, well.
I think this is like a skip loader. Skip loader is half a yard for a bucket. So this is probably like 1/16 of a yard per bucket, but I don't. That's a lot of soil.
It is a lot, man. I'm thinking, like that's probably enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll do that.
And I'm good here?
Yeah, I mean, if you
I'll do whatever you want me to do.
just go to right where about you're standing. Another half?
Yeah.
Okay. It's all free, right?
Yeah.
I think that was probably the fastest load I've ever done.
Yeah, thank you very much, man. Now we're gonna bucket it into this lady's yard. So her son, she's had all her stuff ripped out, cancer. Like,
Oh my
goes
gosh.
to the doctor, not feeling good, come back tomorrow.
Holy cow.
She's like 80 years old. So her son stacked cinder block and made a raised, bed for her so
Nice.
she can still do her gardening. But it's all together, so it's this high. And I'm not one of those laborers who puts a 2x12 and runs a wheelbarrow up 3 feet. It's not gonna happen.
No.
So, got the whole family though to help.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, thank you, Shane.
Yeah, you guys have
How long
fun.
you here today? 3?
Yeah, probably. If you need any more soil, you know where to find me.
I do.
All right, you guys have a good day.